Good morning to my awesome friends. I'm joining in with Kimmy's Kitchen and More. She's a wonderful channel and she comes up with some wonderful collabs like this one. And this one is called hashtag What's for Dinner You All? Oh yeah. Do I love Kimmy? Oh yes, I do. And she comes up with some great collabs. She's a wonderful creator and she's got some wonderful ideas in posts on her channel. Please go check her out and please check out the other awesome creators that joined in for What's for Dinner You All? And today Grandma is going to throw together quite a few quick, easy meals. Why run to McDonald's when most of these meals you can put together in a very short amount of time? And the best part of all, once you make it, you got something for the next day and the next day. So you don't have to keep being in the kitchen and working. We're starting with a little over a half a pound of ground beef. Yes, I said just a little bit over a half a pound. I didn't even use a pound. I cut this meat up really fine and chopped it and browned it along with that onion, and that's a half an onion. And that way, because I chopped it up so fine, every bite had a little bit of meat. Now, I didn't use ragu in this. Normally I would because Grandma's lazy, but today I made it from scratch. I used 3 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce and 1 can of tomato paste, 6 ounces. I doubled the water of each can to make this sauce. That tomato paste is going to thicken up that spaghetti sauce. And we're going to add our own seasonings, for we don't have to use anything else. Garlic salt, lemon pepper seasoning. You know, lemon pepper is always what I use. Garlic, herb, and black pepper and sea salt and Italian seasonings. Now, you use as much or as little as you want, and you can use something else if you don't like the seasonings I've used. As you can see, I shared where my seasonings went on my tomato sauce, but you can see I used the 4 different seasonings I just shared with you. Then I had added my 1 can of tomato paste to the sauce. You can see it piled up there in the center. Then we're going to stir it all up and let it cook. Now this does take quite a while. You don't have to cook it as long as I did. I cooked it for very slowly for a couple of hours because I wanted that sauce to get really yummy. Then I used bow tie pasta to put in it, and I used a little over a half a box. So we're still doing good on a budget. And then when we got done, this is on a dinner plate right here for my husband. All of his meals were on dinner plates, and all of mine were on salad plates because I'm trying to cut down on how much I eat. And I used a loaf of garlic bread, but that wasn't for this meal. I divided the garlic bread up for lots and lots of meals. So that garlic bread went a long ways. My husband had 3 slices. I mostly had 1. And I also made him a salad. So he had a very well-balanced meal. And, well, I didn't actually have a salad, lucky. I just had veggies because I know lettuce doesn't have that much nutrition in it. But he loves lettuce, so that's what he got. And everything was eaten up. So everyone is doing good eating their food. And this is my salad plate that you're seeing. Now, to make another meal out of the same food I already spent time making, this was so easy and quick and budget friendly. I added a can of pork and beans, small can of pork and beans, to that spaghetti sauce and to that dish. So we already had it. We added our pork and beans to it. We're going to stir it and mix it up in there, and that's going to make that meal stretch out more. And it's also going to add a lot more flavor and something different. If you don't get bored, we're having spaghetti again. And if you wanted to freeze the spaghetti sauce, you could have. So you can mix this up and make lots of different meals and stretch it out. Yeah, we all got to start stretching. It's getting bad. So this ain't something different to eat. And all I did was add pork and beans. How easy is that? quick, easy meal. Now keep in mind, I gave my husband a dinner plate, and I'm trying to cut down on how much I'm eating, so my food is all put on a salad plate. Now this one here is my salad plate. You can see the pork and beans in there. You can see I only had one piece of garlic bread, and I did not have actually a salad. I made a bunch of fresh veggies, tomatoes, cucumbers, and that's what I ate, because I'm trying to, I gained about 6-7 pounds during Thanksgiving and Christmas, so I'm trying to get back down to 150 pounds because I don't want to ever get heavy again, and I don't want to go hungry either. Now we're going to make another salad and make another dish from exactly what we already had. Yes, we are doing it again, guys. Hard to believe that we are putting this many meals together, and I'm only in the kitchen one time. Okay, now this is something I had as a child, and I remember eating it. These are Fritos, and I broke them up a little bit, and they're on a salad plate. Now, you can do whatever you want, and you don't even have to take this idea. This is just something I threw in for fun because I liked it as a kid. And I used some of that same spaghetti sauce, and I put it over the chips. And then I had my cucumbers, my tomato, half of egg, and some avocado. So it's still well balanced. That's a salad plate. If the plate is full and there's lots of things on it. You don't have to have a dinner plate. It'll help you on your weight, and you'll still eat something different. Now, what you think about all these dishes I put together? And then I added a little bit of my seasonings on top just to give a little bit more flavor to the food. And I did put one slice of garlic toast on it too. So I thought it turned out pretty good. And that little salad plate is full. So when you look at it, you know you got a lot of food. I ate every bit of it up. It was really, really good. So if you're worrying about your weight, eat on a salad plate. Fill it up. Make it look good. Well, you let me know what you thought about these 3 different meals. I only cooked one time, and that was making that spaghetti sauce. And I did put some time into that. I'm not going to say I didn't. But we were able to just keep putting more meals together. And it isn't hard to do. And we didn't spend a lot of money. We had a lot of different meals, a lot of variety. And of course, you can add some fruits and vegetables to this. Now, I didn't throw any fruits in here because we didn't have any dessert. This was just strictly dinner and some veggies or a salad. And if you don't want lettuce, like I don't usually eat lettuce, you can throw in some veggies. Look what I did. So let me know what you thought. Were you impressed, or do you think you could make this many meals and make it look so simple and easy? And you only had to go in the kitchen one time to make all these meals. You don't have to spend all day cooking every day. I'm a busy person. I put up 30 videos a month, and I take care of a sick husband, and I work full time. I am really busy. So these are quick, easy meals and budget friendly. That's how I keep my grocery bill down. And we're going to bring that grocery bill down every month until we get it really low.